Myself Dipankar, I am from Yashka Infotronics. Today I will present our two products. One is NIV ventilator, one is IV universal ventilators. This is our NIV ventilator. This is developed especially for the COVID, also for the ARDS, pneumonia, blood cancer and meningitis patients. This machine operates purely on oxygen. We have the oxygen inlet port here. So we can give oxygen pressure from 2 bar to 8 bar line pressure. It can be a central oxygen supply or a cylinder of oxygen supply. Regulator valve, whatever pressure the oxygen comes here, it will regulate the system pressure, and the same pressure will go to the patient. In 4 typical modes: CPAP, BIPAP, PIVC and HFNC. And this particular machine have a double limb system. You can see here it's having a double limb, and here it is having a flow sensor. So any mode, if you want to operate or changes the flow pattern of the oxygen, so by this knob we can go up to 60 liter of oxygen supply. So this is a double limb, operating double limb principles, as well as on the same BIPAP setting I can use flow settings, as well as it's having a double limb, so the exhalation valves is there. It keeps a patient comfort. So patient cannot suffocate because of high pressure or because of high pressure or because of high flow. So I have to put these pipes, set the pressure, set the flow rate as per the body weight, and put it on the mask on the patient. And once you put it on the patient, based on the patient comfort or whatever the saturation value on the multiplier, we have to just tune the flow values here. And with that value changes, you can increase the saturation value from as low as 20 or 30% of oxygen values to 80 or 90 whatever. Also with this machine, I can use this machine also for high flow nasal cannula. So this is my high flow nasal cannula. I have to change that mode here. You just have to change the pressure trigger and the timing, and with this kind of setup, it's a trigger based efficiency. So based on the patient trigger, whatever trigger I'll do, it will give the inspiration support, and when I start expiration, then the flow is off. So the benefit is that patient will not feel discomfort because of the chilling effect. There will be very low support of oxygen. It will not unnecessarily waste the oxygen during the expiration. Also, I don't need to make complicated system of temperature or humidifier. Although we have this humidifier and temperature controller, but most of the patient we have seen, because of the pulsation of the oxygen flow and because of intermittent flow of the oxygen, expiration it will go off, inspiration it will go on. So that gives the highest level of patient comfort. So in the same machine, we can do both NIV, HFNC, all kind of patients starting with COVID, ARDS patient, pneumonia patient, leukemia patient, meningitis, any kind of oxygen therapy, wherever is required, maybe accidental trauma cases. So everywhere we can use this NIV product. So this is a non-invasive ventilator. Thank you.